Hello, I'm David Barlow. I'm a Hawaii auto accident injury lawyer. We handle all types of auto accident injuries. This includes bicycle, moped, motorcycle, pedestrian, of course, car accidents, all the various types of electric scooters and electric bicycles. We handle moped accidents, hit and run accidents. Pretty much any type of auto accident are the types of cases that we handle, and we get people compensation for their injuries from those accidents. Now, we do not handle the other types of personal injury cases, such as assaults, dog bites, slip and falls, workers' compensation, any other types of injuries. So mostly just auto accidents, any type of auto accident. That's what we specialize in. As long as there's been injuries, we don't handle just property damage. We handle injuries from auto accidents. So if you've been in an auto accident, give us a call. We will work on coordinating with the insurance companies, gathering all of your medical records and bills, making sure things get paid. And once you've completed all of your treatment, that's when we will go ahead and proceed with the negotiations with the insurance company to make sure that you get full compensation for your auto accident injuries, including wage loss, pain and suffering, all the medical bills, any other types of inconveniences, like missing a sport that you were looking forward to or a race that you had planned on. Those kind of all fall under suffering. Pain is suffering. All the inconveniences, discomforts, pain that result from your auto accident, that's what we get you a settlement for with the insurance company. So give us a call if you've had any type of auto accident injuries, and we will get you the maximum compensation you deserve for your injuries. All right, thank you.